Today, we're diving into how to access and utilize Add Yours on Instagram. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. To find it, you have a couple of options. Firstly, check if any accounts you follow have used it. Alternatively, you can head to the Instagram search function at the bottom of the app. Once there, simply search for Add Yours IG. You'll likely find an account dedicated to showcasing these features. They'll have various highlights you can explore. For instance, if you're interested in live streams, click on that highlight. From there, tap Add Yours at the bottom. Choose a photo from your camera roll or take a new one. Then start adding your contributions. It's that straightforward. Once you're done, click Your Story in the bottom left corner. Your post will then be uploaded. Check it out on your story to see the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching.